Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and uh, thank you all for visiting my YouTube channel and today we will discuss about how can get more clients, how get new clients for website development through Google Map because we know every we know many skills but we do not get clients. So uh, so hunting is very important. So first in the first I divided this video in many steps. So first step is search for business on Google Map. So like go at here and search best school in Bhopal. Go to maps. At here you will get all schools name uh, at here, which have some have website, some do not have website. So school which do not have website, we will target those school only, not for all school, because if this Sarada Vidya Mandir have already have website, then there is no maybe it is not potential client. So so first we will target for school which do not have website. So like Orion International School do not have website, so we can target at here. So analyzing this list is also important. Like Little Kingdom School also do not have website, we can target. Babylon also do not have, so we can target. First Step School not have, so we can target. And Sarada Vidya Mandir English Medium School also do not have, so we can target. Bal Bharati High School not have, so we can target. So we can target many school at here, and we can also search like other place. Best school in Gwalior, best school in New York, best school in Sydney, all and all other place. Okay, one thing. And in the next step, make spreadsheet. So I will go at here and mm, okay, now at here we will make all records so that it will be for a future purpose also. Like client sheet, and at here we are making for school, so we can add for school at here. Like for other part, like if we are making for uh, gym, then we can also make as a gym. So currently we are talking about school, so we can add multiple column at here. Name, have website, phone, email, which date, response. Okay, now we will go at here and like at here Orion International School, it do not have any website, so we can add in our list. And at here we will get phone number also have, so we can copy and we can paste it here, and it do not have email. So and also we can also add paste it at here directly, and we can also add many like Little Kingdom School, and email, pitch date and response will be at here. So this is third step. And how to reach out effectively, so we will discuss about it, but sometime this phone number will not work, so we can also search directly on and after that we will get Facebook page for it. So if it is same or same contact number which we are talking getting in the at here, then it will be good, otherwise copy from here, so that it will be easy to call connect with him. And in the last step, how to reach out effectively. So for that, if we have email ID, then it will be good, or otherwise we have to call on via directly phone, via phone or WhatsApp. So for send on WhatsApp, so just I search at here like for Little Kingdom School, so I will send at here like this is proper template, and at here I already add all thing etc, so you can get all information. And I also added this for demonstration purpose, so I added example, some example at here, and you can also add example like 300 400 USD etc, so you can manage these things. And if required, then you can also visit personally and give him some showcase of your website etc, and then and then also can give your visiting card, so that if any issue, then they can call back to you. And for after that, you can also make many spreadsheet and many sheet for clients like school, gym, property, e-commerce etc, so that you can target your clients. I think you got idea, and implement this idea from today. And please let me know if any issue, and please comment below, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.